For store them inside Douala here for that side from Bopi. They don't burn. Waiting happen. We go talk this afternoon. For that side so from Gaundere, we go talk Palava big day for indigenous people the way it passed. Yesterday, my minister said it be day from Gaundere for happen this Palava. So from Gaundere, we go talk this other Palava for refugee people them with their own competition set from Dambam. It don't start. This one. Every day now under United Nations their own ISA with the refugee people themselves they be start their own. Every day now under United Nations their own ISA with the refugee people themselves they be start their own competition. Sabi say women football team people them they don't already sign a book for talk say they go sit down for work like man football coach for inside country here for 4 years. Even as we ibite before the sign book last they be put pen on top paper for talk say true now them they go sit down for chewe ide so ego bruise e be 11 for back tori wey newspaper talk we go bring them to this afternoon. Big part talk e come out for that side so for Kumasi for Ghana a talk for we say waiting say all Oyibo people them na black people. I say all Oyibo people them na black people. Now I mean say waiting when you see Oyibo man a shadow for ground na black in the show in the show say e be white man. Na Iliasu Bello for Kumasi for Ghana na I send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up on this last time for inside the Equinox Story House for the week. Sabi say for Saturday na PG News debate. But before we enter for that side, Tori for this afternoon, we start for Douala YSFSF for talk this Palava fire where he surprise people them for that side so for Bopi it be dinner for night. Around 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 for night, where fire just a cash. Now for some binet place them, this first store the way fire cash for them. They make binet for tingni and some other electronic palava them for inside that side. No man in no sabi side where this fire is start and waiting it cause before fire is start cash for that side so for inside this 4 binet place them where fire cash for inside. But sabi same if no na for sika say army rescue people themselves they be run with their motor with water they go lost the fire that fire so if for cash it enter for plenty other people their own binet place them. As so we talk no man in no sabi but they store the way it dey so that fire enter for inside. It be concerned as store the way they so they may be net for tingni and other electronic arrangements for just for opposite veterinary place for side from Bopi. Plenty people them they be done detoxing and Bopi market be the bond. No be na Bopi market at all. It be then as on store them where they just then for corner roads for inside Bopi side day for place where they look out animal them beef them where they vaccinate beef the way they call them for BB Queen Elisa country talk say veterinary. So now first store the bond. And more than 10 million we hear say it don't lost for sika the bond way fire cash for them. So now we know if it talk for now wait till we pass before this fire a cash and a bond this 4 binet place them for place where they call them say Mbopi. For Kumba site, August Senior Divisional Officer Ntu Ndong Shambalen he don't na comfortable. He say all delegates the way they don't run for workplace make they turn back for office. This one it happen where Ogan Tundong it be the make surprise worker for different delegation them for inside Meme division. They enter for agriculture delegate place. He place it dey lock. No man know the day. Oga SDO SSF a push door no open. Now so to one time ask him who side this Oga delegate SSF a day. Now grass it don't cover the whole delegation for agriculture. So for that side for Kumbawe it show say Oga delegate SSF a never enter for inside workplaces. Other small delegation to Oga SDO worker enter for inside. He only meet up na door them where they lock. Now for talk say waiting. It means say all the delegates themselves for seeker the confusion for northwest and southwest. It don't make unto themselves they fear for come workplace. So Oga Tundon Chamberlain, he don't talk say any governor workman where he place a day lock, make he sabi say if you no come back for office one time, now his salary go start cry. Yes, his salary go start cry. Even for side for Mark Jenny, Kumba, their own represent, no man in no day. So grass for all corner. Tundon Chamberlain, he don't talk am. Say any man where he no come for office, salary, he go start suffer. He go hear hot in the proper so that they go sabi say work. Now work. Whether na wetin e dey happen, dem must to come for workplace. No man e no get for fear hit. All thing e show say people dey don abandon work. All man e don run enter for Sosongo. Now for inside place wey dey call am say Kumba, Meme division, wey this one e pass so. Sabi say Oga Tundon e be dey make na surprise waka. We enter for chapter for Chakaram na weekend. Bangante people dey also crying. Particularly Bineman where e dey so they can chakara a place where e be don work day before they can chakara a place. E dey so the Bineman tori wey the enter for we ear. E talk for we say the Bineman e dey so. E be don do wetin. E be don talk say be don talk for Bineman say make e no continue for make a house for corner road. But the man e throw hate is also go make house for corner road. Chakara house, Ivex, he carry na stick them block roads. As we block roads, people they no be fit for pass on top. Last, big man for inside Bangate, assistant big man, he can talk with a population for that side. Say no be na so they go look up palava them. One time. Population says he start for do wetin. Population na dem say they start after the small donga men. They start for comot all that plan the way they so they don't fair block roads. They be try for tell we say they so that man where the chakara place. Now for Sika say he no be respect commandeer for make house for corner roads. He go make a house right for corner roads. Now for Sika why that way they go chakara place. So palaba e dey na for that side for council for Bangante for sabi wetin wey dey get for talk. So for Chakara chapter we go enter again for this one wey pass for that side. So for Banga Bakoko na for Villa side come the people them wey e dey so army Ketu them for gendarme they be them. The city council their own caterpillar and police SSF they be there for them. Now for talk say waiting. Now for talk say they so now big people then where they get some company for that side. They do surprise chakara for people them where they dish down on top their land. Tori way enter for we ear and say that company e no like where people they don't be house for on top their land. It make water way they come out for company. E no the fee for waka fine. For Sika that one, they no even talk for the people there, they dish down for the land. They can't chakara all the people their house. Someone they way na house and way it dey so they don't always start for make it turn up for up. They just finish foundation where they never enter. They can't chakara where they no even give warning. Say it dey so they can't chakara. Other people their house so they chakara for that side. Now house where they don't already people they start shidon for inside the house. Chakara in them even important book they like a birth certificate, identity card, and other small thing them. It lost for inside the house where people they don't start shidon for inside. And plenty of the people they cry for Sika say they can't chakara house, they no talk for them, and small time to school it go start. Who side they go start for carry their pikin and go? Now the BB question that way they try for ask and just now for this palaba for chakara house. Now Toriwe just the enter for we here for that side so for Boya before we come make we take una go for Loom country people them for Loom side after election way it dey so they announce name them for people the way they go turn out for votes for 2018 for Genyun Kunkumam we turn for inside Loom side for try for here wait they so people they check them for the 9 name them you sabi say Nkunkuma Sesep now one of the person them for CPDM we get Maurice Kamto for Cameroon Renaissance Movement we get even OC Joshua for SDF, Akeremu na SSF, Ide for his own party. We get even people there like Prophet Frank and Serge Espoir Matomba, Cabra Libi, we all them, so they put their name them for the chapter for vote. So for inside loom, Jacquino Molum, he be try for Tonton, for ask people them, wait in the check for inside the 9 name them, where Ide so they don't come out, say they go turn up for name, for vote, for Genyun Kunkuma. Make we hear wait to where people they talk for Jacquino Molum, a microphone.
So, pass now with Papa, he don't begin work. That work will never finish, and we must tell him before say finish that work. If he left it that work, like a fan no go be. All a man say can begin that work, he go be, we go begin being that's so for back. That they can't take him no, not be now for you know he go talk. Now vote go talk no. Then no must take here with the gun. Now for vote. If they then go compte voix say na them don't pass, they can then go take him. But I'm not sure. Say them feel take. What way with Papa don't begin now? Parce we party be some big party.
It's the 9 people them we don't say that they will go represent Cameroon for presidential election. Yes, the list be fine. From now, elect cannot try work better than O'Neill and the other organization where they be the official whole people them. But one thing lack for the list. Because for the list, there is no woman. And then we don't know a woman them, not the do politics for Cameroon or how. One problem there, and the problem be very serious. Because that police station, where they don't put them for commissariat and our presidential, then come militaire, then people don't go be free for go vote because they will jam one thing. They will be fighting. As he say, we still get something to do. But we thank Elekam because they don't try to respect the period to publish the note them. We welcome to accept all the opposition to select one man.
Just for Sabise, before we enter for that Tori, we did try for talk. Na Tori we Oga Ekema Party SSF. Again for make investigate on top with the hearsay some of your council police them according to Toriwe Jodi enter for we EM. They harass your own citizen them for your town with the hearsay even palm oil. They check ticket for the palm oil where mommy they don't come up for buy them for inside market. So Oga Ekema Patrick as Sabi say be better mayor for Boyam. Now for you for investigate your council police them according to Toriwe Jodi enter for we EM. They the whole mommy them say me the show book for oil where they don't go buy them. Red oil, no be na self say na any kind oil where they don't go buy them for market. Say made the show book when na council police them they do that work. So as Sabi say mayor, he get for do investigate on top that palava. Then he give Kasingo for the council police them where they the home mommy there where they don't go buy their red oil for market where they turn back. Say made the show book or if not they go pay them small choco before they come out with the red oil. Na Tori Wejo enter for we EM. Now also another chapter for Tori for this afternoon. We take una go for that side from Gaundirim. It be then a big day for indigenous people them according to Toriwe enter for EM from Gaundere side. Plenty people that they come out for that side from Gaundere. Make we enter now so for this other Torim from Gaundere side for talk this palava for indigenous day. It be then a chapter and the minister says it be then for see wait if we talk for inside the chapter. Sabi say plenty of our brother them and sister them they where they look them like say they no be people them like they pygmy them, they bororo them and even some Fulani them. So it be been a day for say make that show these people them for talk for them say them say the day important for inside we society, inside we country. No man in no day like say in no day all people they day as we dey talk. And so now for Sikawa that way the big day it be happen and minister says he go now for that side so from Gaundirim for go glad this big day for indigenous people them before he will be get plenty cargo the way the people them say they fix them the Fulani they make their own thing pygmy them say they be get their own thing for sure and for a minister way it be day like that one the way they see pygmy that they show na their own medicine that and even their house where they ever she done it is see anom na medicine that it be then a big ngando for that side so for inside Gaundere. Now, so make we get small sound. Waiting happen from Gaundere, Jean Bless Nupei, e be carry we this small mutumbu for that side. Some of the things then that we own sister them, we check say they no get for shido with we they did do am, but sabi say now we sister them, we brother them, whether na how na so inside one country we dey. So we take una go for Limbem for Livanda village as we they call am. Now for that side so we it dey so they don't put vigilante committee people them for that side so for Livanda village. Now for inside Limbe where this arraignment happen. And they put these people then so for chair where it is so palava for thief it do over plenty for inside Livanda village for inside Limbe one and it be then a big ngando as we Oga D Osesep for that side for Limbe e come out Chief Sesep e come out for talk wine na D Osesep if I give the first close for the vigilante people them and inside this ngando way pass for that side they give them power they talk for them say may they no put all power for the army they no carry all power for their hand say some kind thing the day where they get for carry am go for ngomna for administration say me they look at them so waiting they go take look at that village where they call am say Livanda na touch and waiting even phone thingy the day plus other small thing the way they give am for them say me they take look at Livanda village. Gaundere we turn back for day for talk say even as so they don't run for different places for can't be she don't from Gaundere it no mean say them too they no get right refugee people themselves from Gaundere they get their own small competition Ndamba for that side so for Bogop now for day so this arraignment it pass for inside the week so they launch competition all that house you already see and so now refugee people them where they don't run for different sides where they can't she don't for them down for say me they she don't they no do no nothing they don't make them better competition where it starts for that side so for Bogop and the picking them they say me they get their own time picking woman picking to get right for doing them whether na woman or na boy or themselves they get the same power for doing them so Ndamba competition for Bogop for this picking the way na refugee it don't start and na chapter for keep this picking them to they busy as well they come be them for different side they make busy for inside holiday time. We go take now, we go for that side so for Boya for talk say Ideso, Reverend Father Nugi, Sop, Alexander. After we they come out, a die body for mortuary for Boya this time. Also, we talk now for this side. They don't already bury Reverend Father for that side. So for cathedral now for small support. Now for the way they so they make big prayer for Reverend Father Alexander Sop. Sabi say Father a die now for June moon for that side. So for Moyoka where it dey so it be the turn back where it be come out for Moyoka side the turn back. Bullets it meet up Reverend Father and Tawe they be come out a die body this time for that side. So for Boya it be then a plenty crime. As we all church people them, Catholic church people them, plus even one day they be come be them for Reverend Father Alexander Sop, they be come out for can talk bye bye and for talk for say make Papa God he look at him. And for that side, according to Toriwe enter for we EM, Father them they don't talk say na plan killing, they kill their combi na kill am, say no be na any two way pass. But as we talk, they don't talk say make Father he owns a soul, he rest in peace. But na say make this palabam for Norwest and Southwest, Elas N. As we are talk, they don't already bury Reverend Father Nugi Alexander Sop for that side, so for Boyam. As we start to read for this side, we go surely turn back for that image for other news for Inside Equinox Story House. Last story for this afternoon, now for talk this other palaver, and Ndamba Sese we go talk for talk same we don't get man football coach official the new man Ndamba coach people them they don't sign their book even as we they be take plenty time before they wan come. Last Clarence Seedorf wey na be the head boy and his own assistant Patrick Kluivert, all them na this early morning time for Friday after we they be fair waste plenty time. Now that time wey they come for inside Ministry for Sports and physical education for can put paper or for can put pen on top paper for talk say true. They be the new man Damba team, head boy them and assistant head boy. Sabi say the people them they sign a 4-year contract for Shidon on top man football team. Sabi say their first thing where they get for do now for say they get for try all kind of style for say make they continue for keep that cup where Hugo Bruce he win and for man Damba where he be passed for Gabon for 2017. All this palaver for signing book it be happen now for before Minister for Sports and Physical Education Dr. Pierre Ishmael Bidungpat and before big man for normalization committee for Fecafoot where they call it say Barrister Jodene Happy and other combi them. Tori people then say they be they even sleep seb now for inside Ministry for Sport for Sika say before this signing be one happen it be then a palaver again for talk plenty. They began for talk plenty with a Clarence Seedorf and Patrick Kluivert before last they be come out for can sign book. After Minister Ismail Bidungpat he give Clarence Seedorf in own JC. He say Seedorf now you close be this you be the official person for local women football team. Sabi say that couple winner for Gabon you must to keep am. Oga Kluivert, you say second your own mayo, na your own JC that you be assistant man for Clarence Seedorf. Una get for work hand for CCA man Damba he remain for inside the country as well we say where they happen and for 2019. After we did two come be the sign one time they go there for airports go back for their country. They go turn back for country small time. But Sabi say apart from Mount Damba team, they get for work with the other Damba them, other team them for inside we country. Now they told them that for this afternoon, country people them before we go. Make we see wait till newspaper then say they get for talk for we this last day. The Guardian Post, he turned back for talk palava vote for Genyun Kunkumam. Constitutional Council says they don't take some paper where it talks make they come out. They call them Kunkuma Pobia on top chair. Waiting it pass and waiting pass so they talk make they move make they come out. This our own Kunkuma for on top the chapter for votes. Onafi enter for the Guardian Post for Sabi that one. So for inside chapter for election, they say one big person for inside SDF, he don't cross carpet. Oga Maurice Kamto, na SSF, he don't talk come good for Njamen, where SSF before being for SDF. Inside the same chapter, Northwest and Southwest, we take una go for that side for talk says on Reverend Sister SSF, they don't shoot it for that side. So for Ginicom, this one, it come, where Kali people then say they cry, as so they bury one father, or where they don't bury one father. Today for that side, so for Boya. Then chapter 2 for vote, they will hear say big people them. One the way they get up for Southwest, they try for talk say make Nkunkuma a can start a campaign for Palava for Nkunkuma for that side, so for Southwest. The post weekend SSF a day for outside. The post weekend I did tell we say Palava for vote for Genyun Kunkumam. The roads and the fight it don't start after we elect SSF. It be common name them for the 9 people the way they get right for Shidon on top this Palava. So for inside the post weekend you feel read them. Bishop then says they don't talk. Confusion for Northwest and Southwest. They don't tire. May they left Cameroon with this kind of war where you no get head, you no get tail. Inside the same story, President Joseph Kabila SSF last he don't talk say he go down. He means say no go Shidon again like a president for a country. All Anglophone Conference 1993 for Boyam waiting it be happen for the post weekend it get all that to read them for inside the plus other one where you fit for read them. So now the story then that will get them for this time con the people them and even you where you come up for that side for Obangong with the Giona invite for special conference for all Obangong people that way go happen for Susa side for number 8 day for September month. We want to say happy birthday for you again. Besong Magdalene Dasi, 6 years. You did she done for that side for Isokolo for Big John is side. So PG News Debate, it come for Saturday, 12:30, so for 1:30. We return back for some of the tori dem wey e pass inside the week, and we go get with stranger dem wey we una go discover tomorrow when we come for here for 12:30. We wan say big thank you for all una don join hands say make Donga men e pass fine for this side Monday, Sote Friday, and we sabi so na go so be there for giving the support. Big thank you for you, Da Silva Michael. Big thank you for you, Dipanda Raphael. Big thank you, Nadine Wafo, and even you, Zephyrin Gondi. Mr. Seb, big thank you. On a hold on tight, Sote tomorrow.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rend